Last month, I visited and worked with a group of TTN in Valkenswaard, Netherlands, to document the process of building a custom fixture so a customer of ours could achieve printing on trash cans like this, on the Universal Series pad printer like the one right here. The customer wanted a turnkey solution to print on the long and short side of the can. So TTN designed and built a fixture that would allow the part to be easily placed on and removed from the pad printer. Let's watch the next several minutes as we document the entire process of printing on a trash can. We start with our CAD-drawn professional pedestal. Then we upload a 3D part drawing of the customer's part, which we base the fixture on. This is the design process beginning. One of the specialties of TTN is also the ability to make fixtures in-house. So right now what we have is a trash can that we want to print on. So let's watch as we make a fixture for this so the customer can easily slide the trash can on and off the part and have a great printing process. So this shows the path that the CNC will route out. So we're about ready to start up this CNC mill. It's going to mill a base plate for the fixture that we are actually attaching to the pedestal. So let's watch it and let's watch it work. In order to take this portion of the pedestal apart, what we're going to do is we're going to loosen these screws. And what Sam's doing here is he's loosening all these. Behind here, there are 3 bolts on the bottom and there's 3 bolts on the top. And then we can remove this entire pedestal. That's what we're going to take off, and then we're going to supply the fixture for the trash can pad printing right on top of this pedestal.
Got it?
Yes. So now that we've got all 6 bolts off, we can now put the other fixture on here. So this is a perfect example. When we had the step file, we also want the part because the part may have shrank after it's been molded. And here we see that even though we made this fixture perfect to the DXF file of the step drawing, the part shrank, and then we need to have a little bit more milled out. So having the part is critical when we make fixtures for pad printing. One of the nice things about TTN is the great integration between the fixture and the printing machine itself. Here we see a trash can fixture that can print on the side of trash cans, but they can also be used to print on the flat side as well. With a quick change for rotational printing on the other side of the can. We also have printed one of these as well. It's dry to touch within just a few seconds. So there you have it. We showed the design process, the manufacturing of the fixture, the fitting of the fixture, and the test printing. So the customer could have a turnkey solution that would confidently work. The customer loved the result. Do you have any questions on this process? Feel free to ask them in the comments below. To see how we can assist your group in printing everything from plastic molded parts like these trash cans to more advanced printing like cylindrical printing on small catheter tubes for the medical industry or eyewear or even hard hats, feel free to reach out to us. Also, if you like these videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And for our Instagram friends, don't forget to like and follow. Thanks for watching.